Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to crochet this cute little sunflower bouquet keychain. First, start with the center, that is with brown color yarn. Crochet a magic ring and work 10 double crochet inside the magic ring. Then join the ends, close the loop, then join the ends with a slip stitch. So for the petal of the sunflower with the yellow yarn, first join it the yellow yarn and chain 3. After that, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, make another 1 double crochet, then make 1 picot, chain 2 and into through the second loop, pull out the yarn, then again make 1 double crochet, then chain 3 and into the same stitch, slip stitch the yarn, then skip the next stitch, then into the next stitch, slip stitch and again chain 3, then make 1 double crochet and again under double crochet, then chain 2 and pull the loop through the second chain, then again make 1 double crochet and chain 3 and into the same stitch, slip stitch, make a slip stitch. Similarly, crochet the remaining petals. So skip the next stitch and into the next stitch, work chain 3, then double crochet, then another double crochet, then chain 2, then pull out the yarn through the second chain, again 1 double crochet, again chain 3, 1 2 3 and into the same stitch, a slip stitch. And then similarly make other petals. So the mini sunflower is ready. Now we make the leaves. For the leaves, chain 16, then 16 and after that into the second chain from hook, make 1 slip stitch, then 1 into the next one single crochet, then into the next one half double crochet, into the next one double crochet, then again 1 half double crochet, then 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, then again a slip stitch, then make another slip stitch, after that make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then again 1 single crochet and slip stitch, then chain 2, then similarly repeat the pattern on the other side. Now we will crochet the wrap of the bouquet. So with the blue yarn, start with the foundation chain of 21, then On the second loop on the hook, work 2 chain, then after that make 1 double crochet into each stitches till the end. So double crochet and again, yes. So at the end chain 1 and turn the work and repeat the same pattern. First chain 2, then man 1, double crochet into the each stitches till the end, and at the end chain 1 and turn your work. So the work is ready. So now it's symbol time for the symbol. At first, attach the sunflower to the width, then with the yarn, using the yarn, tie it like a bouquet, then cut off the extra length with a yarn cutter. So the bouquet is ready now. Attach the keychain with the bouquet. So the bouquet is ready. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe.